This tissue paper flower wreath looks impressive, but it's actually quite easy to make. You can use different colors for a custom look. For this project, you will need 3 different colors of tissue paper plus yellow for the center of the flowers, green pipe cleaners, a pencil, scissors, fingernail clippers or wire cutters, and 2 things to trace around, one about 4 inches and one about 1.5 to 2 inches. For this wreath, you'll need to make about 9 each of 3 different flowers. I've made 2 of the flowers, lavender and magenta, in this size, which is about 3.5 inches across, and then a smaller one about 2 inches in pink. But of course you can do it however you would like. For the larger flowers, you want to use about 5 layers of tissue, and you'll want to trace around something that's about 3.5 to 5 inches around. Hold the layers together and cut them out. You don't have to be very neat. It doesn't have to be exact. I promise it won't matter at all, even if you have more of an oval shape or it's not perfect. Once you've done that, you're going to fold the circle in half, fold it in half again, and then one more time. All right, so you'll have a little cone shape. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut just a rounded top. So think of what the top of the petal would look like. You can draw it on there if you'd like, but it's fine just to freehand it because, like I said, it doesn't matter if it's perfect. For each flower, you're also going to want to cut out some yellow circles, probably about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. 3 or 4 layers is about right. I'm also going to fold the center pieces just in half twice, because I'm going to cut some frills in the center. As you can see how I cut that there. It just makes it faster if you do it this way. So I'm just going to cut not too far in because you need that middle part to thread on the pipe cleaner. Okay, so now that I've got the pieces to my flower, I'm going to take a green pipe cleaner, and I only need about 1/3 or 1/4 of a pipe cleaner per flower. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off a small piece with my fingernail clippers. I don't like to use scissors on pipe cleaners because it makes them dull. You can use wire cutters. I just prefer fingernail clippers. I have a dedicated set for cutting pipe cleaners. So with your little piece of pipe cleaner, you're just going to fold the end down in a single coil. And then you're going to take your center pieces and one by one, thread them through the middle. And you're going to smash it a little bit. You're going to crunch it up as you move it toward the top. And once it gets to the top, give it a good squeeze. So you're going to thread your remaining center pieces in the same way. Don't forget to give them a little crunch at the top. And then you're going to put on your flower petal pieces. Again, just right in the middle, and you're going to want to crunch it up a little bit as you bring it towards the top. Okay, so you've got 1 flower to go and a whole bunch more to make. These will go faster as you move along, and you can certainly do it assembly line style, cutting through more than 4 or 5 pieces of tissue at once. To make the smaller pink flowers, you can trace around the same items. Then when you cut them out, cut just about 1/4 inch inside the lines. Once you have all your flowers, I will show you how to assemble your wreath. We're going to make the base of the wreath. So you're going to need 4 green pipe cleaners for this. And you're just going to twist two together. Do the same with the other two. So hold your two long pipe cleaners together. Wrap it around each other a few times. And then make a circle. And attach the ends together so that you have a circle. And this will be the base of your wreath. So to add your flowers on here, stick the ends in. And then on the back side, you're just going to wrap it around so that your flower stays secure. I like to put on all the flowers of the same color first, just so that I can get them spaced properly. You don't want to make them perfectly even because it won't look natural, but you want to space them out a little bit. So I'm going to put all of my lavender flowers on first. Alright, so that looks about right to me as far as the spacing goes. So now I'm going to add the other two colors, filling in the gaps and rounding out my wreath. Once you've got all the flowers on your wreath, you'll probably find some spots where you want to rearrange some of the colors or fluff some of the flowers out or put them in different positions. So you can mess with that for a while till it looks exactly how you want it to. I love this color combination for spring or summer, but this would be really pretty in Christmas colors or maybe red and white for Valentine's Day. So really the possibilities are endless.